Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. There you find another little yellow box here on the top, and if you open it like this you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings like this and you have it. Okay, otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you have to enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray you are able to insert one SIM card, and if you want also a second SIM card, or on that position you could place also a microSD card. Okay, so let's start with the first SIM card. You will put it like this. So missing corner on missing corner here. And the contacts are below. Okay, and as I said, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. You have to place it then here on the other position. So also missing corner on missing corner, but at this time the missing corner have another direction. And the contacts are below. Okay, and as I said, you can add also a microSD card, but then you have to remove the second SIM card because it's on the same place. You have to decide between a second SIM or a microSD card. And if you want to have a microSD card, put it here on the last position. But take care because everything is tiny that nothing jumps out. And if you have a microSD card, it should look like this. And the contacts are here, of course, also below. Okay, and after, you put your construction just back into the phone like this. Close it well after. And that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or subscribe me. Would be a pleasure. I receive a package. Ciao.